In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your stock. Start with one shelf and build it up from there. Setting up your stock can feel like a huge job. The trick is to take it one place at a time. Everything starts from the stock menu along the top. Open the stock menu. Owners think in terms of locations, the places you actually keep things. So that is where we will begin. Choose storage locations. A location is simply a place you hold stock. A reception display, a main store with a couple of cabinets, a medicines fridge, your theatre store. You can set up as many as you need and even nest them, so a cabinet sits inside a room. You can shape the levels to match how your clinic is laid out, an area, then a cabinet, then a shelf in your settings. So a location reads the way you would say it out loud. Next, the catalogue. This is the master list of everything you hold, from injectables and sutures to the skincare you sell on the shelf. Each product shows its category, how much you have, and how important it is to keep an eye on. Some of these you also sell to patients, like take-home skincare. Flip the switch in the retail column, and it is ready to sell at the checkout. Until you set a real price, it lists at £1, as a gentle nudge to come back and price it up. Adding a brand new product is straightforward. You give it a name, a category, who you buy it from, and what it costs. The one setting worth pausing on is the reorder level, the point at which Velastria warns you it is running low. Now, who you buy from. Your suppliers each have their own record, with contacts, addresses, delivery details, and even their certificates, so everything about them is in one place. Open one, and you can see it all at a glance, the people you deal with, where they ship from, and their approvals. And if you buy the same product from more than one supplier, open that product, and its suppliers list shows them side by side, each with its own price. So you always know your best option when it is time to reorder. And if you already keep your stock in a spreadsheet, you do not have to type it all in again. The import wizard takes your file, helps you line up the columns, checks it over, and loads the whole lot in one go. And that is your stock setup. Start with your locations, build up your catalogue, mark what you sell, add your suppliers, and import anything you already have, one place at a time, and before long it is all there.